Welcome to the Course Care Self-Training video series for Enhanced InSite, using GradeMark. This training video will demonstrate the process of using quick marks, using commenting tools, accessing paper information, and downloading reports. You will access GradeMark within the assignment inbox. To access the inbox, click the View link next to the assignment. Within the assignment inbox, you will see information on all student submissions for that assignment, including the paper title, similarity index score, and submission date. Within the response column, you can also see whether or not your student has reviewed his or her marked paper. You'll see a check mark in this column if the student has reviewed the paper. To launch GradeMark for a submission, click on the GradeMark pencil icon. The GradeMark page of the document viewer will launch. You can also navigate to the originality report or peer mark for the paper at any point via the tabs in the top left corner of the page. In the top right corner of the page, you'll see the similarity index score for the originality report, and you may also set a grade for the paper by clicking into the grade box and entering a score. The text of the student's paper appears in the left window, and your GradeMark tools appear in the right column of the page. You will access the various GradeMark tools using the icons that are in the bottom right corner. The Quick Mark palette is the default view. Your active Quick Mark palette will display, but you may switch sets by clicking on the icon to the left of the set title and selecting a new set from the menu. You can open the full Quick Mark Manager by clicking on the wrench icon. You may add comments to the paper either by using the commenting tool or adding inline comments to the paper. To use the comment tool, click on the comment bubble icon, and then highlight the text of the page to which the comment will refer. Then click the comment bubble. Enter the text of your comment into the field. If you find this is a comment that you make frequently, you can save the comment as a quick mark by clicking the Save as New Quick Mark link. Place your cursor over top of the icon to reveal the text of the comment, as well as delete or edit this comment. You can also add comments to your paper simply by clicking on the comment bubble icon and dragging it into the appropriate spot in the page. To add an inline comment, click on the T icon and click into the paper where you would like your comment to appear. Type the text of your comment. You can also strike through text by first selecting the comment bubble icon, highlighting the text that you would like to strike through, and after highlighting, hit your backspace or delete key on your keyboard. You can add a quick mark by highlighting text and then select the quick mark that relates. When you place your cursor over top of the quick mark, you'll see a description of the quick mark as well as links back to the ebook pages where this mark is discussed. You can make a comment on this specific quick mark by clicking on the comment button and then entering the text of your comment. Note that you can place your cursor over top of a quick mark within the set to reveal the description of the quick mark. You can also use the search field at the top of the menu to search for specific quick marks. You can delete a quick mark from the paper at any time by placing your cursor over top of the mark and selecting the trash can icon. If you have chosen to use the ETS e-rater, those marks are indicated in the paper in purple. You can place your cursor over top of the mark to either dismiss the mark or add a comment. You can click on the ETS tab in the bottom right-hand corner to see an overview of the marks that were placed on the paper organized by topic. You can also click the checkbox next to a category name to dismiss all marks for that particular category. You can also restore any marks that you've previously dismissed from the paper. Additionally, the comment bubble icon in the bottom right corner reveals a general comments area where you can make overall comments on the paper. Click Edit and then enter the text of your comment. The rubric list icon shows a running list of all comments that were made on the paper. Place your cursor over top of one of the comments to reveal the Show on Paper link. Click Show on Paper and that mark will be highlighted on the paper. Lastly, you can access the rubric scorecard. Click the icon in the top left corner of the rubric to open a full-size view of the rubric. Point and click within the rubric in order to score the paper. For more information on using rubrics, please view the Creating and Attaching Rubrics self-training video. To access paper information, including word count and submission information, click the eye icon in the bottom left corner of the page. You may also download or print a copy of the GradeMark report by clicking the Download or Print icons in the bottom left corner. You may also navigate to the next or previous student paper without returning to your assignment inbox by clicking the Next and Previous arrow in the top right corner of the page. Thank you for reviewing this training video. For additional resources, please visit the Enhanced InSite Course Care page. Resources include live and archived online training seminars, self-training videos, user documentation, and first day of class resources for students.